أكبر الله أكبر.
One of the obstacles that we face that keep us from continuing to make dua is this. We oftentimes feel, I've been making dua, and my dua is not being answered. Allah is not hearing my dua, a'udhu billah. Or Allah is not answering my dua, a'udhu billah. I feel like it's not working. And sometimes when I feel that way, then I want to give up. But let me give you guys a scenario so I can make this point. Imagine a person really badly wants a red Ferrari, okay? And so what this person does, because they want a red Ferrari, they know that Allah is as-Sami'a, right? And Allah is al-Mujib, and Allah answers. And so what they do is, they wake up every single day for tahajjud, okay? To pray for their red Ferrari, all right? But you wake up every single day for a year for tahajjud, and you cry to Allah to give you this thing. Now let me ask you this question. At the end of that year, whether you got the Ferrari or you didn't, you actually got something better. And it was in the process of making the dua that you got that thing. And what was it? What's that thing that you got that was better than the Ferrari? It's something you can't buy with all the money in the world. And that is the nearness to Allah. The fact that the process of you getting up for tahajjud and crying and begging Allah and praying and making dua was in fact bringing you closer to Him. And that nearness itself is more valuable than whether or not you got the answer to your dua. The answer. The process itself is better than what it was you were asking for. Make sense? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sometimes delays the answer to dua for this reason. Now in this example, when the first night that I woke up and I prayed for my Ferrari, I personally don't care about Ferraris, but assume I did, and I got up and I prayed for this Ferrari. Imagine if I had gotten the Ferrari the first night. I woke up the next day and outside of my house there was a Ferrari just sitting there. What would I have done? I would have stopped praying. I would have stopped getting up for tahajjud. I would have done it once and that's it. And so actually by delaying the answer to my dua, it pushed me to do what? To continue to get closer and closer and closer to Allah through the process of that begging. Through that process. By the very fact that Allah delayed the answer. So we should never lose hope when the answer to our dua has been delayed.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.